When we were looking for a technology partner, Mindtree came to mind. I had known of Mindtree previously through some of our key vendor contacts, and so we knew that Mindtree had the capabilities that we were looking for in those particular technologies. So as a foundational step, Mindtree as a partner had the technical competencies we were looking for, and we had, through our vendors, gotten comfortable with the notion that Mindtree could deliver. In some cases, those vendors used Mindtree themselves to deliver their own products. So when you get that type of relationship, you know you can rely on it. So we had some confidence there. When we approached Mindtree and we started a dialogue, we noticed a couple of things. Wiley, as an established company, has always worked in a collaborative team culture. And we saw in Mindtree this collaborative team culture that was concerned about working together and getting past the us versus them into the we, it's a mission that we need to achieve, and we need to do that as a team. We also saw that as a mid-sized company, Wiley as a large mid-sized company, didn't want to be a trivial account for a large mega company, and Mindtree has a mid-range view and size that meant we were, while we might not be the biggest customer, we would be an important customer. So those three elements really conspired together to give us a now 3.5, 4 year relationship that has continued to evolve and grow and sustain itself on those tenets of competency through the underlying technologies and the people, and the compatibilities that we team together and work together as a offshore, onshore team. And when you think about those types of words, offshore, onshore, Wiley's a global company. We work on every shore. So whose shore are you working off of? It's not necessarily a good metaphor, but we work in a diverse set of countries and cultures as a team, and Mindtree is a partner in that as well. Going forward, Wiley is continuing to grow. We will grow organically. We will grow through acquisitions. And the business of globalization has really put another dimension on what we need to do to support the company. So when you think about Wiley's challenges of evolving their products into customer-oriented, very connected groups of people, serving the needs of broad constituencies, our challenges are getting more and more complex, and the time frame in which you have to deliver those products and services is more and more compressed. So the need for that agility and capacity continues to grow. So Mindtree has supported a lot of that and will continue to support that going forward. In one sense, Mindtree has helped Wiley improve its own capabilities. Now we have teams of people who really can complete each other's sentences. That's how we tend to work. So that understanding of the businesses that we're in, the people in Mindtree are fully aware of what the business objectives are, how the business works. We meet together to explain that, and now we're taking advantage of the fruits of that knowledge base growing and growing over time. Other areas of technology that we're exploring, from business intelligence and broadening that with some knowledge management, perhaps some infrastructure support. We operate in a 24/7 mode, and that is a challenge at times. So using certain capabilities that Mindtree has for infrastructure monitoring and so forth may be possible in the future. So we're looking for a continuum of evolving of the relationship, and those areas both in the technical capabilities and the geographies that we're involved with. So we've done a lot of work on a North American basis. We've, over the last year, broadened our European use, and there is a lot of business coming down the road in Asia. So we view the team in Mindtree as our global resource that we can deploy to any of those geographies at any time.